All right, who do we have here today?
Christina.
And?
Harrison.
What are we doing?
We're gonna jump off an airplane.
You ready to go skydiving?
I think.
Yeah?
Yep.
You ready to go skydiving?
Yep.
Whose idea was this?
His.
So it's his fault if this goes wrong?
Yes.
If we don't make it, any last words, final comments, confessions?
No.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Ask him any last words.
Pregunta, últimas cosas.
No,
No.
Let's go have some fun.
Yep.
High five. High five. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Woohoo! Here we go.
Stand for your left. Up. And then both together.
Okay.
Woo! You got a good grip? Yeah. Woo! Right. There you go. Woo! Good job.
Thank you so much.
Okay, leave the harness on. You're gonna take it off.